Hello, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I'm the owner of theTrustIsYou.com and also a podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains Now with an exclamation mark. I want to help as many U.S. business owners, U.S. 1099 income earners, and also U.S. investors to save federal taxes with the Spendthrift Trust. So few people have ever heard of the Spendthrift Trust. It is my duty to teach this to as many people as possible. I started both my business trust and beneficial trust in September of 2020, and I have saved thousands of dollars. The trust is legal, it's copywritten, it's in the IRS tax code 643B. It comes from England way back when King Henry VIII, the famous king who chopped off his wives' heads, started the Church of England. It's contract law. The law firm I work on behalf of has inherited a trust that turned 350 years old in 2023, before we were a country. The current tax code went into effect in February of 1913, 110 years ago. The super rich families back then, the Rockefellers, the DuPonts, the Carnegies, and the Kennedys, made sure they could save federal taxes and continue to do that. If they can do it, and I can do it, you can do it too. My website is www.thetrustisYou.com, and I want to help as many U.S. business owners, U.S. 1099 income earners, and U.S. investors save as much money as possible with the Spendthrift Trust. Now, just to give you an idea, the Benson Financial Trust that the law firm sells has been around for 75 years. There are over 80,000 trusts in existence at this point, and not one of them has ever been audited. I will be honest, one was examined in 2018 by a senior IRS agent for about 3 hours, and then he signed off on it. What I want to discuss with you today is what I attended yesterday. Yesterday, I went to a presentation about cost segregation when you have real estate. It was interesting, but I got to talk to the gentleman afterwards to tell him about how you can even save even more money when you have real estate holdings. The two of us are going to do a partnership together because cost segregation doesn't take care of everything. Now, just to let you know, you can take depreciation over 27 and a half years on a rental property. Yes, you can do that, but you divide it by 27 and a half years. His example yesterday was a $300,000 home that was a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house that he was making $2,000 in rent every single month. That still left him, for depreciation, it still left him $15,272 in rental income. If you are at 22% for your tax brackets, just to let you know, there are 7 different tax brackets from 10% up to 37%. I just use 22% because that's an average tax bracket for most people in the United States. When you're making a whole bunch more money than that, more than $190,000, it becomes 24%. So I'm using 22% tax bracket. So again, with the $15,272 in rental income at 22%, if you were owning this $300,000 home and getting $2,000 a month in rent, you would owe the federal government $3,360 in rental income. That's a lot of money. Now, when he was showing the cost segregation, first off, it was going to be $1,000 to get the cost segregation taken care of. And then it would lower your taxes by over $4,000, which is nice. You would only be paying $11,122 for in rental income, but still owe the federal government $2,446 in rental taxes. Now, why is this important? Because with the Spendthrift Trust, it's going to save you in 4 extremely important ways. It's going to save you federal taxes year after year, generation after generation. It's going to keep your information private. Unfortunately, if you have an LLC or an S Corp, I can go out to any state Secretary of State or Corporation Commission website in any state and find out research about you. Over 40% of all LLCs every year get sued. Third reason it's going to save you money. If you follow Nelson Rockefeller's adage, own nothing, control everything. Everything's in the trust. Nobody can sue the trust. When they try to sue you, the individual, you're worth nothing and it becomes frivolous. And then, so all my clients who have rental income, yes, they're saving rental income taxes. They're not paying any of liability taxes, and they're keeping their information private. they're saving thousands of dollars a year. And then the fourth way, you don't have to do the 2024 Corporate Transparency Act for the Treasury Department. Again, keep your information completely private. I'm inviting all U.S. business owners, U.S. 1099 income earners, and U.S. investors to a free presentation here on TikTok, Monday, 12:30 East Coast time. I also do a live every Monday night, 8 p.m. East Coast time on Zoom. I want to help as many U.S. Business owners, U.S. 1099 income earners, and U.S. investors save as much money as they can in federal taxes. If the Rockefellers, the DuPonts, and the Carnegies can do it, and I can do it, you can do it too. Please reach out to me, set up an appointment for a 30-minute tax breakthrough session. I will take you out to NerdWallet, a free website, show you your taxes, and show you how much you can be saving. Today's thing I did, a post, was about a husband and wife. The two of them would live in California. They're making about $190,000 a year. She's a school principal. He has a mechanic shop. When we take the mechanic shop out of their personal taxes, he has it in LLC, we're going to lower their taxes from 24% down to 22%. With the saving 90% in federal income taxes, he's going to save, I don't have the numbers in front of me, so if I give you the wrong numbers, please forgive me. He's going to save over $10,000. And then he's also going to save, they're going to also save another $20,000 with going down the lower interest rate. I'm sorry, I don't bring anybody out live online because unfortunately, the last time I did that, they were naked. So, and then plus California state income taxes. Altogether, they were going to save over $37,000 the entire time. Oh, wait, I have it right here. The full number was $37,278 in the first year of having the Spendthrift Trust, and then every year after that. That's their money. They can hire another person to work in the mechanic shop. They can open a second location. They can pay off their mortgage. They can pay off buy a new car. They can give to a charity, whatever they like to do. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something about the Spendthrift Trust. Please reach out to me here. I always leave a message of when you can make an appointment with me. Take care. Have a beautiful Sunday. I always leave a message of when you can make an appointment with me. Take care. Have a beautiful Sunday.